Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure React app with Firebase, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your terminal. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your React app. Type npx create React app myapp and press enter. Replace myapp with your desired project name. Once the installation is complete, navigate into your project folder using cd myapp. Next, you'll need to install Firebase. Run the command npm install Firebase. After installation, open your project in your preferred code editor. In the src folder, create a new file named firebase.js. Go to the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Click on Add Project to create a new Firebase project. Once the project is created, you'll be directed to the Firebase project dashboard. Click on the web icon to register your app. Enter a name for your app and click Register App. After registration, Firebase will provide you with configuration settings. Copy the Firebase configuration object from the Firebase console. In Firebase.js, import Firebase by adding import initialize app from Firebase/app. Next, paste the Firebase configuration object into the file. Initialize Firebase by calling const app equals initialize app Firebase config, where Firebase config is your configuration object. For Firestore functionality, you might need to install Firestore as well. You can do this by adding import get Firestore from Firebase/Firestore. Then, create a Firestore instance using const db equals get Firestore app. Now, you can start using Firestore in your app. To verify everything works, go back to your main app component. Import Firebase by adding import./Firebase. You can now utilize Firebase's features in your React components. Test your configuration by adding a simple function that connects to Firestore. Run your development server using npm start. Your app should now be configured with Firebase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.